food combining. So food combining helps you reduce bloat and helps you digest better. Have you heard of food combining ever before? Generally speaking, food combining encourages us to eat the lightest foods first on our plate and the heaviest foods last. If you eat heavy foods before light foods, then the light foods just end up sitting and putrefying in your digestive tract while they wait for the heavier foods to be digested. Yes, they putrefy. What does that mean? It means that the lighter food in this example is heated and cooked and begins to rot as it awaits digestion in your gut, thereby losing its nutritional value as it awaits to be processed. So it passes along your digestive tract rotting and decaying along the way. Ew. So here's an example. The worst food that you can actually eat for dessert is fruit. Really? Fruit? Why is that? So say you ate chicken, veggies, and had apple pie for dessert. The apples in the pie will end up sitting and putrefying and rot as you digest the chicken and veggies first, and this will contribute to poor digestion and the accumulation of toxic waste and buildup. So let's put these foods in order. In which order should I eat these foods? The meal that you want to have is steak, potatoes, salad, broccoli, brown rice, and a blueberry crumble. So in terms of the lightest to the heaviest foods, the first food that you should eat is the blueberry crumble, and that's because it's the lightest. The second food that you should eat, which is the second lightest, is the salad. The third is broccoli, then it's potato, and then it's steak. So really the fruit must go first. That's because it's the lightest, and the steak must go last because it's the heaviest. This will ensure that nothing rots in your gut as it awaits digestion. Hey, but where did the brown rice go? In this example, actually, brown rice doesn't belong with this meal. Actually, in terms of good food combining principles, it doesn't belong at all here. And that's because different foods require different enzymes to be stimulated, and sometimes one food's enzymes cancels the next out. And in this example, the enzymes needed to digest the rice would have canceled out the enzymes needed for another of the foods in this example. So following these principles has made a huge difference in my own well-being around food and in my own gut health. I feel more vibrant and healthier for sure. I have less inflammation internally and less toxic waste buildup. I also wake up with a bounce in my step, and I have proper elimination. And here I've included a little cheat sheet for you so that you can easily understand what foods combine with what foods and what foods don't go together. So carry this cheat sheet everywhere with you, and remember to eat the lightest foods first as they get digested faster and quicker, and you don't want to have them rot in your digestive tract. So make sure you go down below this video to press on the link that will take you to the cheat sheet so that then you can print it out and bring it along with you. You can I have one in my wallet, I have one on my fridge. I always try to follow these food combining principles everywhere that I go, and I suggest that you do the same if you want to improve your gut health, reduce inflammation, and reduce toxicity. Your gut health is vital to your well-being. So let's get to this cheat sheet. Generally, starches and vegetables can be eaten together. Proteins and vegetables can be eaten together. Proteins and starches cannot be eaten together, so proteins and carbs cannot be eaten together. Different starches or carbs can be eaten together. Proteins cannot be eaten together, so if you have a chicken and a fish, you should not eat them together. But plant-based proteins can be eaten together, so if you're a vegan, there's no issue here. Fats and proteins do well together, but pair them moderately. Fats and starches also do well together, and fruits should only be eaten on an empty stomach or mixed with greens, except melons. So now you know about food combining. I wish you good gut health and optimal wellness. I'll see you in the next video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and download your cheat sheet below. Bye.